Natural skin ceramides. Skin's essential youth factor decline with age, causing a dry, dull, uneven appearance. Preservative-free, biodegradable advanced ceramide capsules help restore those lost ceramides. It's the only ceramide product clinically and dermatologist tested and proven to help skin look firm, radiant and up to 10 years younger. Potent botanicals, like alfalfa extract and lipids from coconut oil, plus a retinol derivative, promote skin's natural repair process, replenishing essential, naturally occurring lipids and diminishing the appearance of aging signs for firmer, smoother, healthier looking skin. Go ahead, live with confidence. US clinical test, 25 women ages 41 to 49 at 12 weeks. Superfruit blend, Acai, Goji, Mangosteen, Noni and pomegranate fruit extract coffee seed provide antioxidant protection for healthy looking skin. Apple leaf extract provides soothing relief to irritated skin. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.